That's the middle of a shower, you prick.
Well, last weapon you gave me is garbage. I need a new one.
New one. I got this back scratcher I use in the shower.
Really? Explains the rust all over it.
What? You gave 500 pounds, what'd you do? Eat a bag of potatoes?
Wait, what's my quest this time, old man?
You have to kill the cat guy.
Oh, really? Where is he?
He's atop a giant mountain, and you'll have to climb a mountain. And then you cross a tiled platform, and then he'll be there, waiting for you.
That's all I need to know.
I've been expecting you.
You have. So then that means you already know what's gonna happen. It's time to duel. I did it once again.